Hi guys, Jimmy here again with Here to Serve Dental. Back to talk to you a little bit more about DESS and some of the things they have to offer. And pretty complete system. They have lots of cool features. Let's talk about some of the most popular ones, or some of the most ones that cause me to get most excited about, right? The titanium Premills are made out of titanium grade 5, and obviously the best we'd want for that, so good choice there. They come in 28 different connections. Right, so 28 different implant systems. One of the cool things I like about it is that not only are the connections milled to FDA standards, but the gingival transition, right, where we finally end up on the milled part of the abutment to the connection, that comes in varying lengths depending on the mills themselves. So the pre-mill in this one, the transition is 0.3, so it's one of the smallest out there as far as a pre-mill goes. I like that. The top of the pre-mill is a very robust, and it's called a pull down and lock system. So when this thing is mounted into the holder in your mill, right, it's really solid to, again, minimize movement and chatter for maintaining accuracy. I like that aspect. The pre-mills come in a 10 millimeter diameter and a 14 millimeter diameter. And they are both 20 millimeters tall as far as millable height. So we have 20 millimeters of space to mill even the tallest abutments. I love that aspect. The last thing is that you have a 14 millimeter version of the pre-mill that actually has a angulated screw hole. Right? So we can do a screw retained milled abutment in our lab with angulated screw access. And this comes in two different orientations, let's call it. That the pre-mill can be oriented to the point inside the hex or the flat. So it gives us, plenty of options to rotate this thing around to make sure our hole's in the right place. So that's the benefits and features of the actual pre-mill.